Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make a lot of money on Twitter. Recently they launched the new monetization functions and strategies, so you want to make sure that you're one of the first who can actually benefit from it. Let me show you where the monies are coming from usually. So if you go over here, for example, you look for something that is very trending, right? Some post with a lot of retweets, a lot of likes. When you click on it, and go on the comments of the tweet, right, in between you will see that there is an ad running. You see, every once in a while, after a certain number of comments, there will be an ad running. Okay, so this simply here again will generate you money. So this means that the more engagement, the more comments, the more retweets, the more people are interacting with your tweets, the more ads Twitter can put in between the comments. So this means that the more money you'll be able to make. Let me show you how this actually works. You wanna go ahead and click on the lower left side of the screen, so you can go on your profile. Then you wanna click on monetization, and here you will get introduced to two different types of monetization at the moment. The first option is through subscriptions, and the requirements eligibility over here is first to be a premium subscriber for X. This means to get verified. Second is to have 500 followers. Third one is to be active in the last 30 days, right? And the fourth one is to be at least 18 years old. So people over here will simply pay you monthly subscription to support you, something like a Patreon, okay? And this is how you're going to be making money. The second option, which is much more sweeter, right, is the ad revenue sharing, something that I showed you earlier, the ads in the comment section. This is where I've seen people reporting that they're making between $5,000 to $20,000. It's mind-blowing, right? So the second option eligibility criteria is to again to be subscribed to premium or verified organizations, right? To have at least 5 million impressions on your post within the last 3 months, and to have 500 followers. It sounds a little crazy and hard to achieve when you heard 5 million impressions, but if you really post something news related, something that is very trendy right now, probably you can get it. It's no guarantee about it. But this is the main ways to you to make money on Twitter, guys. For more videos like this, subscribe and like this video.